Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos. And today's video, it's on TikTok, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see your liked videos on TikTok. You know, the videos which you like, and those liked videos are going to be listed somewhere on your TikTok account, and you can go and check where those are, so you can see like all your liked videos on TikTok. All right, so I'm going to show you guys those the steps you need to take in order to see your list of liked videos. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, after you open your TikTok, you want to click on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on the profile section of your TikTok, you can see this little like button over here, or like a heart button over here at the top. You can see it, which is on the corner, the last option from all these four options. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, all your video which you have liked is going to be shown over here, just like this in my case over here. As you guys can see, all the videos which I have liked are over here like this. So yeah, that's how we guys can see your liked videos on TikTok. Is that simple. And to remove a video from your list, just click on it and unlike them, and the video is going to be removed from your list just like this. That's how simple it is to remove anything from your list as well. And to add a video on your list, just like the video and it's going to be added over here automatically. So that's basically how to see your liked videos on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.